Guys, welcome to Mozagan. Yes.
Okay, because we have 90 minutes. So from here, I'll check my watch. If possible, we have minutes to go, I'll take you to Atlantis. If we have late little bit, from here, no need to go Atlantis. I'll take you to White Island. There's a new island from that side. And then once we shoot from there, you know, now we have two Dubai. Okay? So this is the road. We are here. And then we'll go outside slowly. When we are out there, we'll stop to see everyone if can stop the boat. And then from there, we'll go towards Burj. Okay? 2-3 minutes in Burj to take photo. You need to drink water or you need to swap.
Make it 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put you 10 minutes. Okay? So from Burj we'll pass the Royal Palaces on this side.
Yeah.
Okay? And then we go to Logo Island. We'll go to Atlantis. You ready?
Yeah.
Because time is going, I need you to go in Atlantis, okay?
Yes, okay.
Give a nice jacket.
Sorry.
Palm Bridge. Okay? So when we get here, I'll check my watch. Okay? So this life jacket will be attached here with a kill code. So we have dry bag for everything you like to take it. So you put it inside, and then once you put it inside, this dry bag, how you close it?
So guys, we're in the boat. And my mom is oh my god. I should mute this. Move please, your leg. Okay.
Okay, make photo for them. Make photo. Go.
So guys, we're in the middle of the ocean right now.
Speed!
Okay, that's my sister.
Speed!
So guys, if you're wondering what's on my neck, it's actually the life jacket if we in case just fall. I mean, it won't happen, but yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. So, guys, probably I've been burning.
Nagpula ka ikaw, wala.
Nagpula ko, no? Yeah, guys, I become red because right now we're going back to where we come from, means to see our mom. I think she's worried because we're a little bit late. I mean, too much late. And it was really good experience, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you, guys. Bye. So guys, right now I'm going back, and wow, the water looks pretty actually. Where's the fish? Where's the fish?
Fish, bro.
Oh, there's so many fish, guys. And yeah, we're going back.